In this video, let me show you how to apply age restriction in case of jQuery UI's date picker widget. So this was asked by one of the viewers, and instead of replying to that comment, I thought of making a video on this so that everybody can make use of that. So if you are new to jQuery UI is a JavaScript library using which you can develop amazing web application interfaces. So to illustrate this, I have already saved a web page, changed the title to restrict age, and also added reference to the latest jQuery and jQuery UI files. Actually, jQuery UI is dependent on jQuery. So in order to use jQuery UI, you need to have reference to both jQuery and jQuery UI. So this is reference to jQuery and these two are references to jQuery UI. Now jQuery UI's date picker widget allows the user to select a date. Basically, it looks like a calendar, and from where you can select whatever date you want. It could be date of birth or date of appointment. Whatever date you want, you can select using jQuery UI's date picker widget. So it is very easy to make an element into a date picker or a calendar. Let's see how we can do that. And after creating a date picker widget, we will see how we can implement age restrictions on that calendar or date picker. So first we need to have an input element to convert it into a date picker. So let me specify date of birth and let me specify input type equal to text and ID equal to calendar. You can specify whatever ID you want. Okay. Then close this. So this is just an input element. Now we are going to convert this into a date picker. So we need to write the code. So let me add the script section. And within this, I'm going to write the code. So as this is jQuery code, we need to have $document.ready event. So $document.ready. Within this, I need to write function, open and close parenthesis, open and close curly braces. And here we need to write the code. Actually, this is part of jQuery, not jQuery UI specific. We are going to convert this input element into a date picker. So first, let me select the element using its ID. So hash calendar. And then I just have to specify date picker in order to convert this into a date picker. Now let me save this. See, this is the page. Suppose I click inside this text box. Okay, it is not working. Let me check the code. Calendar, date picker. Okay, I think there is a space here. Yes, there was a space after R. Let me now save this. Let me refresh. Yes, so the error was here we have specified hash calendar, but here there was an unwanted space like this. So I have removed that. So the ID is calendar. Okay, now we are getting the date picker. So you can select any date you want. Suppose you want to select the date like 13th. Here you could see MMDDYYYY. That is a format. You can change this format. Actually, you can do a lot many things using jQuery UI's calendar. Now, suppose the person should be above 18 years of age. That is, suppose this is part of an online form where the user should be an adult to fill that form. So what should we do? The user's age should be at least 18 years. So we need to implement some kind of age restriction. But before that, suppose a person's birthday is 2000 August 30. How we can select that? We have to click this arrow so many times until it reaches the year 2000. It is difficult, right? So what we can do is here inside this, you need to add curly braces, and within this you can specify change month to be true and also change year to be true. Okay. Now let me show you how it changes. Let me refresh. Let me click. See, now months and years became drop downs. So it is easy for you to select the year, right? Suppose the year is 2016, you can select like this. Suppose the month is June, you can select like this. But there is one more issue here. Suppose the year selected is 2016, it will show only 10 years backwards and frontwards. That is, here only up to 2026 is shown. That is enough. But here you could see up to 2006 is shown. Now suppose we want to select 2000. What we need to do? First we need to select 2006 and then it will show up to 96 here and here 2016. So it is difficult, right? If we have to select a date more than 20 years of gap from the current year, we need to click it multiple times. So that also can be solved by specifying year range. That is, if I specify year range to be, say, 1980 till 2021 or 1960 till 2021, and save this, and let me refresh and click on this. See, at a stretch you can select up to 1960 and towards this side 2021, because here we have specified year range to be 1960 and 2021. So like this, a number of options are available with jQuery UI's date picker widget. Now actually what we want to do, we have to implement the age restriction. So suppose we want the user to be at least 18 years old. What we can do is that here you can specify max date to be minus 18y. So what will happen is that the max date allowed will be 18 years backwards from today's date. Let me save this and show you. Let me refresh. Let me click. See, only from 2003 November 2020 can be selected. So today's date is actually November 22nd, 2021. So 2021 minus 2003 is 18. So all the dates after that, that is after 2003 November 22nd, all the dates are disabled, so that the person can select only dates from 1960, which we have specified in the year range, till 2003 November 22nd. So this way we can implement age restriction using jQuery UI's date picker widget. Now suppose a person should be between 18 and 25 years of age. That is, in some exams and all, there will be age limit, minimum and maximum limit, right? So if we want to implement the maximum age limit as well, what we can do is that here you can specify min date, okay, to be minus 25 years. So here you could see that the max date is minus 18y and min date is minus 25y. Now let me save this and refresh. Click this. See, from 23rd November 22nd till 96 November 22nd. That is, the person's age should be maximum 25 years of age. If the person selects 1995, he will be 26 years, right? So the maximum date and minimum date are set. So 22nd November 1996 to 2003 November 22. Any date between these two dates can be selected, which means that the user will be between 18 and 25 years. So like this, you can use min date and max date to implement age restrictions. And if you go to the official website of jQuery UI, you could find a number of options that can be used with jQuery UI's date picker. Suppose you click API documentation, widgets, then go to date picker widget. Here it is. You could see a number of options and methods. And if you move downwards, here you could see max date and min date. So here you could specify a date, a number or a string. Here we have specified a string, and in addition to Y, you can specify M for months, W for weeks and D for days. So here example is given, plus 1M plus 7D means it will be 1 month and 7 days from today. So like this, you can have multiple options with min date and max date itself, and also a number of other options in case of jQuery UI's date picker widget. So this was asked by one of the viewers how to implement this 18 years age restriction. So instead of replying to that particular comment, I thought of making it as a video so that everybody can make use of it. So this is how you can use jQuery UI's date picker widget with age restrictions. Hope you find this video useful.